Hi everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to share one important and useful information with you regarding periodic table. This information might useful for your next competitive exams, or if you have any PhD interviews, then definitely this information will be useful for you. Till date in periodic table we have one element, that is organocell, which has highest atomic mass. The mass number of this particular organocell is very high. I hope I'm pronouncing in the right direction, right? So this organocell actually it has an atomic mass of 300, okay, and the atomic number of this particular organocell is 118. And the question also asked on this organocell in previous PhD interviews also, okay. So but if you observe this organocell, so 300 mass number and 118 atomic number, and if you subtract this mass number with the atomic number 300 minus 118, so you will get 300 minus 100 200, 200 minus 10 190, 190 minus 8 182. So you have 182 neutrons here, right? So 182 neutrons here, and it has atomic number 118. So 118 protons are also there, 118 electrons are also there in organocell. So this till date this is the highest atomic mass element in the periodic table. But before that, a few years back, one element has been discovered. So that element is administration. So the funny thing about this administration is it has no electrons, okay. So though it has no electrons, but it has neutrons, okay. So this is the element which has highest mass than organocell. So actually the atomic mass of this particular administration is 312. How? See, it has one neutron. Along with one neutron, it has 12 assistant neutrons, and it has 75 deputy assistant neutrons and 111 assistant deputy neutrons. Right? 75 deputy neutrons and 111 assistant deputy neutrons. If you add them, if you add all the neutrons, all kind of neutrons, then you will get 312 mass number. So this is the element which has highest atomic mass than organocell. But because of some reasons, this administration has not been placed in the periodic table. Why? So simple. The one thing regarding this administration, very important things. I have information regarding this administration with me. Just wait. So actually, you take this administration. So first of all, this radioactive decay. Right, what is, so if you take the half-life of particular administration, the half-life is 3 years. That means half-life is very high, okay. So I hope you people would have read about the half-life in your chemical kinetics, right? So whenever we have more half-life, so it will take more time for the decay, or we can say disintegration. So this administration particularly, this has 3 years of half-life, okay. So this is one drawback of this administration. Second is, generally if you take any reaction, for suppose you take some reactions with some elements, so some particular elements can finish their reaction within seconds or within minutes also. But if that particular elements when come into contact with this administration, so those elements will take so much of time. It will take approximately 4 days also to complete that particular reaction, right? So whenever any element which will come into contact with this administration, it will take more time to complete, like first order reaction in chemical kinetics, right? Because if you take first order reaction, it will take infinite time to complete, right? So in the same way, this administration also will react, will take so much of time to complete the reaction. So that is the another drawback, okay. So this is the another drawback. So second thing is, it does not decay, but instead undergoes a reorganization. These are not important thing. Yeah. So because of these reasons, actually, one more thing is, each administration, if you take the nucleus, so in nucleus we have so many administration atoms, right? So each administration atom is held together by subatomic particles, right? These administration atoms are held together by so many subatomic particles. These subatomic particles are called morons. These subatomic particles are called morons. By these morons, these administration atoms are held together by a force of these subatomic particles. These subatomic particles are called morals. So this is about the administration. Because of these drawbacks, actually it has not been placed at in periodic table, but still you have to remember one element is there which has highest atomic mass than organization, that is administration with the 312 atomic mass. Okay, so I hope this information will be useful for you. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other information regarding this administration, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.